pioneering day, I would say, in aviation, as we are now the first airline to fly commercially on biofuel.
Which means that from the day of today, more and more, there will be a chance that you as a passenger buy your ticket, and then when you get aboard you will hear that you are flying a very green flight.
I think it's a good step, and again it's more or less expected that KLM does such a step to fly on biofuel.
Challenge the market, if you like, to create more biofuel opportunities from feedstocks like we are doing today, from used cooking oil or from other sources that are sustainable.
Well, we have discussed with SkyNRG for quite some time and looked best ways to make this project happen, and then we found the optimal way to make it happen here in Amsterdam, because they have the logistics in place.
I'd love to fly a plane with biofuel. If Finnair does, I take the plane of Finnair.
It's a really nice thought to be flying on biofuel to Finland using Finnair.
Now we are getting some biofuel for first time for Finnair. That's right.
It's very good because it's good for nature and the environment, and that's that's good.
This is an important day. We're halving the CO2 emissions with this flight from Toulouse to Paris, and we're doing that by putting three key things into play. It's the use of biofuels, 50% in both engines, optimized air traffic management, and ensuring that we're using the greenest navigation technologies that are on board the aircraft.
Bah écoutez, moi qui ne mange pas souvent des frites, je trouve que c'est fantastique de pouvoir recycler des déchets et d'économiser de la matière première.
Ce que je peux vous dire, c'est que je vais moins culpabiliser de prendre l'avion. S'il y a moins de CO2, c'est bien pour la planète, hein, donc c'est bien.
The biofuel which is used is used cooking oil, which has been processed, hydrotreated to become biokerosene. And it is to be used as plain kerosene. It is fully compliant with all the specification of the kerosene.
I know that we're going to go on an airplane that instead of using regular fossil fuels, I think we're going to use biofuel, which is made of more natural things, so it produces less pollution.
Alaska Airlines is leading the industry by being the first U.S. carrier to use biofuels on multiple scheduled flights.
Jason. And what we use as a feedstock is this right here. So, and what this is this is used cooking oil, and the plant also can process animal fats. So we're talking about byproducts and waste products that come from the region, and they're all brought together at that plant in Louisiana through a series of processing steps converted into the clean, clear, water-white fuel that you see here today.
Generally, the aviation biofuels that people are looking at are somewhere between 50 and 80% lower carbon footprint than fuel from petroleum.
Customers won't know the difference. The engine operates exactly the same. All of the parameters, everything that we measure technically about engine performance is identical. This isn't about a near term. This isn't about this month or this year. This is about a longer term effort that we think is very, very important, and we're pleased to be part of making it happen.